Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate how we are going to create PDF files on automation directly within a Notion database. So as you can see, this is a database with some content written inside these pages. So we have two different pages that we have set up inside this database. So I'm going to click on a button and then I'm going to convert this page content into a PDF file directly within the Notion database. For this automation to work, I'm going to utilize an automation tool known as PDF Output. PDF Output will help you create PDF files on automation directly within a Notion database. So once you log in inside PDF Output, click on New Automation, and once you click on New Automation, you can simply set up your automation settings. Okay. So let me simply remove the connection that is already there so that I can show you the entire demonstration properly. So let me click on New Automation, and we need to click on Connect Notion over here. So click on Connect Notion and simply copy the database title which you have. So I'm going to copy this title. Make sure you put the database title inside the select pages. So click on select pages and put the title over here. You should be able to see the database title. Click on that and it gets automatically added. In my case, it is already added. In your case, you can simply click on this to add the same. Okay. Scroll down and click on allow access. You should be able to get access to the database and proceed further. Okay. So once it is given access, click on add Notion pages. So it will add the page of the database. Click on continue, and now you can choose the database which you just added from here. Okay, so I'm going to select the new database from here, and once I select on that, I have certain options available, like I can define how the PDF file will be named, where the PDF file will be attached. All these things are available. Plus I can define additional settings like what I want to see in the final output of the document that appears. Okay, what I don't want to see, all the footers and header margins, everything is visible over here. So click on preview output, and it will automatically start processing the second page. So by default it will start processing this record, and it will convert that into a PDF file. Okay, so you can see it has already generated, and this is the title that is showing over here. We could have also disabled this, and you can see how the output has come out over here. So it creates a clean PDF output for our requirement from fetching the information from the database page itself. So I'm happy with the setup. I'll click on setup automation, and once I do that, it will automatically give me some settings. Like it asks me to add a button, and it also defines some settings which I can look into. Okay, so what I can do is let me jump over to another database where my settings are already created, and let me showcase from there how to do that. Okay, so this is a database which has all the settings configured. So what I've done is I've just added a button over here, and if you click on edit automation, you should be able to see these send webhook settings. Okay, so inside the send webhook there is a URL field. So you will find that URL value over here. Okay, so basically what you need to do is there are two options. If you are looking to convert a Notion page to PDF, copy this URL. If you're looking to convert a Google document to PDF, you can utilize this URL. So for my demonstration, I will copy the second URL. So if I put the second URL over here, it is already added. Under the key, I will put authorization, and under the value, I will put the value that is being shown in the value field for your use case. Okay, so whatever is shown over here, simply copy this and paste it over here and click on save. So doing that, my PDF automation is added. Now if I click on any of this button, it will automatically start processing the record, and it will automatically create me the PDF file right over here. So if I click on this, I should be able to see the output appearing over here with all the requirement that I had already defined. So in your case, whatever you would have defined, it will automatically create the document. So this is how simple and easy it is to use PDF output. With a click of a button, it starts processing, and it will simply create the PDF file directly within the database, which you can start to use and generate a PDF file for. Okay, so this becomes very simple and easy to use in long run, as the button serves as a great automation setup to create a PDF file. So that was it for the demonstration. If you're looking for more help and information on the tool, just go to the home page. You'll find this contact widget. Click over here and send me a message right away. I'll be able to assist on the same. Or else you have this contact window at the bottom of the page. You can click on this and send me an email right away. I'll be able to help you with the same as well. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.